Good afternoon everyone. I am Riya Kamre. I am studying in 11th Science and I am also preparing for NDA examination in Rashtramata Jizav Academy. And today I am going to speak about disruption of our environment. One of the most visible effects of disruption of our environment is global warming. Global warming. A gradual increase in Earth's average temperature due to human activities is having significant effects on our environment. This in turn threatens our coastal communities and the ecosystem they support. Low-lying areas are particularly vulnerable to flooding, which can result in loss of homes and farmlands. Disruption of environment also contributes to more frequent and severe extreme weather events. Heat waves, droughts, wildfires, and hurricanes have become increasingly common. These events have devastating consequences, causing damage to our infrastructure, agriculture, and natural habitats. They also pose risk to human lives and safety. Another critical impact of disruption of our environment is that many species struggle to adapt the rapidly changing temperatures and altered habitats. Some of plants and animals also face the risk of extinction, causing loss of biodiversity that can have far-reaching consequences for the food chain and ecosystem stability. Furthermore, disruption of environment also affects the health of our ocean. Warmer water leads to coral bleaching, which harms health of coral reefs and the marine life they support. Ocean acidification driven by increased CO2 levels also threaten marine ecosystem, including vital species like plankton, which form the base of ocean food web. To mitigate the effects of disruption of our environment, individuals and societies should take actions like using energy efficient appliances, reducing, reusing and recycling, and also observing our energy so that we can reduce our carbon footprint. Supporting renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can also reduce greenhouse emissions. In conclusion, environmental disruption has profound effects on our environment, including rising sea level, extreme weather events, loss of biodiversity, and threats to ecosystem. To safeguard our planet, we must take actions individually and collectively. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.